Today I talk about how I make videos on YouTube. I've been making YouTube videos for a really long time now, and we just surpassed 55,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone that supports what I do here, and I really appreciate y'all. You keep this channel going. Thank you to all the members and everybody. But how I make videos is something that can start from something that's really simple to something that can be a little bit more complex. So I make my videos in 3 ways, and I'm going to break all those down and talk about them so that if you're interested in getting into making your own videos, or maybe you just want to know how I make videos, then this is the video you can refer to. So hope this thing is on so we can begin. Okay, so the first way is very simple. I just capture my screen, and then I just make sure that my screen is recording, and then the sound coming from my computer is captured. So I use a software called OBS Studio to capture my screen, and in OBS Studio I am able to put overlays on my video, like if I need to put like my logo and my branding, and if I want to put something like my Instagram in the corner there, you can see my branding right there, so that it has the information that I want you to see throughout the whole video, just to brand that it's my video, kind of like a producer tag. And then the next thing that I add is that I add inputs and outputs. So I do add sources in OBS Studio, which is like my mic, which is the Samsung Q9U. I have a review on that. You can check that out if you want to know more about this microphone. And also I add the output of the computer itself, the sound, so that you can hear what I'm doing in FL Studio. So that's kind of how I do it. So after I record that, then that's good. Then that's simple. It's no fuss. It's something that anyone can do. That's the first way, my first method, how I make videos. It's basically how I started. I just recorded my screen, and then that's it. Moving on to the second method is now where I add a face cam, like how gamers do it, right? So my face cam, the first face cam that I've had is the webcam. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there in the corner. That's my webcam. And funny story, I actually got this webcam from a guy called Sipete Beka. He actually DJ'd at the Kunye sessions, and he's a good friend of mine. And we actually exchanged with a small Numa controller that I had at the time that he was interested in, and I was interested in a webcam because I wanted to put a face cam in my video. So we, did a trade, and we were both happy, and that's how I got that face cam. So I just add a source on top of the first method that I spoke about. I just add a camera, which is my webcam. It doesn't look the best, but I don't mind because it's just like a little thing in the corner. It's not always full, and I use it sometimes for Zoom meetings and stuff like that, but quality doesn't really matter, so I haven't really felt the need to upgrade it. So that's kind of the second way that I do it. But now with those videos, I have to do a little bit of editing. I use Davinci Resolve. It is a free video editing app. I'll have links down below to where you can download all these softwares that I'm talking about. So I use Davinci Resolve to just trim out and put an intro at the beginning of the video, and then put an outro and trim out at the end of the video. That's what I do. And then the third way that I make videos is by using a camera like this one here. And it's more or less kind of like the same method that I use like when I'm making videos like this. I have a camera recording me with a mic on top, or maybe I can have a lavalier mic on me, but I also have this mic also picking up sound into the computer, and then I sync it together. So I sync what is happening in the computer, and then I also sync it to what's happening in the camera, which is like my face cam, so that I can look pretty for the camera, so that I look nice and I look good. And if I want to show some products, like I want to do some stuff there, then I can do that. And then I sync it in Davinci Resolve, and then I do some editing and cut out some stuff that I feel like will be a waste of time and is not needed for the video. And if you guys want to see like a dedicated video on how I edit my videos, then I can definitely make a kind of video like that, how to edit YouTube tutorials or music producer tutorials or whatever. And if you have any other questions about how I do my things, or maybe even the equipment that I use, let me know down below. Then I can definitely try and figure out a way how I can, get into it, because I love audio videos. It's called AV, audio video stuff. I'm an audio guy, yes, my channel wise, but I also love video. If some of you guys know my wife, she is into tech and video stuff. So we talk about lenses, we talk about cameras and stuff like that. And the camera I'm using, by the way, it's a 200D. It's a Canon 200D, Canon SL2, and I have a light right here, which is a softbox light that we use, and we have a second one, but I just used one because I have light coming from this direction from the curtains. If you also want to know the specs of my computer, I'm going to put them here on the side, so that those are the specs of my computer. It's pretty decent and all of that, but if you have any questions, like I said, drop them down below. I just thought I'd kick this off and I explain stuff, and hopefully soon we can do more technical videos like this, so that if you're interested in making videos, you can kind of have an idea of how I make videos, and you can always refer to this kind of video and see what's going on. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this really informative and, you know, maybe entertaining. But thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and like and do all that YouTube stuff. It really supports the channel and helps this video in the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one. I am X and I'm out. Peace.